Start trading on MEXC now. Get your $10,000 bonus when you register. Link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your daily source of the hottest crypto news. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Shock move. Strategy drops. $27M on Bitcoin at $123 kelvins right before crash. A company known for accumulating Bitcoin quietly revealed today that it purchased roughly $27 million worth of BTC when the coin was trading at an average of $123,000, a bold move just before the market plunge. With this acquisition, its total Bitcoin holdings now stand at 640,250 BTC, built up since 2020 as part of its treasury initiative. The revelation comes after a sharp crypto downturn, raising questions about timing and confidence. Meanwhile, the firm's common stock gained solid traction on equity markets, rising 2.5% as investors digest its conviction in long-term Bitcoin exposure despite short-term volatility. Observers see this as a statement of belief in crypto's resilience, even in tough conditions. Bitcoin may be headed to $100 kelvins as historic trendline holds sway. Recent market action has reignited fears that Bitcoin could slip toward $100,000, a level that once seemed comfortably behind it. Analysts point to a crash on Friday that reaffirmed a resistance zone traced from prior cycle peaks dating back to 2017-2021. This pattern, they argue, could be stretching its influence once again. When combined with rising derivatives and spot trading volumes, August totals alone hit $9.72 trillion. The outlook looks tense, not bullish. One major exchange, Gate, even leapfrogged its peer by jumping 98.9% in volume to land in the top 4 globally. Meanwhile, open interest in derivatives markets rose nearly 5%. The message: Bitcoin's path upward is met by stiff technical pushback. Citi flags crypto liquidations, Bitcoin's equity link exposed. Citi strategists warned today that leveraged liquidations are exposing a closer tie between Bitcoin and traditional equities than many realize. In volatile environments, forced liquidations in crypto markets are exacerbating losses and dragging BTC further down, especially when collateral overlaps with equities. With margin calls cascading, the banking firm suggests crypto's risk profile is becoming more entangled with broader financial markets than investors assume. The warning comes just as markets remain jittery over interest rates, macro data, and regulatory signals, meaning the ripple effects from one sector could spread faster. Liquidations have already been steep in recent days, highlighting how thin the buffer between crypto and conventional finance may be. Ethereum's Fusaka test upgrade flips switch toward lower fees. Ethereum developers move forward today with the Fusaka upgrade on the Sepolia testnet, marking a key step in optimizing network efficiency. The trial follows a prior rollout on the Holesky testnet, and a final dress rehearsal is scheduled for October 28 on the Hudi testnet. Fusaka introduces Peer DAS, a data verification scheme allowing validators to process slices of data, so-called blobs, rather than the full dataset aimed at slashing bandwidth needs and lowering operating costs. For institutional users and Layer 2 networks, that could translate into a leaner, more scalable Ethereum. Once complete, the upgrade may reshape how nodes synchronize and interact with data, potentially improving user experience and throughput. WisdomTree launches physically backed Stellar ETP. Europe opens doors. In a move that could expand institutional access to Stellar XLM, WisdomTree announced the launch of a physically backed ETP in Europe today. Rather than relying on derivatives or synthetics, this exchange-traded product holds the underlying asset itself, promising direct exposure to Stellar. For investors seeking regulatory clarity and minimal counterparty risk, that structure may be especially attractive. The ETP's debut signals confidence in Stellar's ecosystem and could open it to a broader class of capital flows. With European regulators increasingly open to digital asset instruments, this launch may serve as a template for similar offerings targeting other altcoins. Those were today's top crypto news. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. A brand new video drops tomorrow. Stay tuned.
Best crypto exchanges, wallets, and all helpful links for traders are in the video description.